Okay, today I'm going a demo of n8n on Oracle Cloud infrastructure. I'm using n8n Community Edition, okay? So no cost. And I'm using it on an Oracle VM, Oracle Linux 9 here. As you see, I created 3 containers. The first container is n8n. It's running. The second container is Python runners, because I want to run the Python code outside of n8n in runners. This is a recommendation. And the container number 3 is just a REST API that is able to give me the namespace of my tenant using OCI Python SDK. Okay? Just have a look to this workflow. You can see my AI agent using an OpenAI chat model. The first tool here, this is a simple Python code tool that is able to say hello. Okay. First test. Hello, my name is Chris. You see, the first tool was used and I got hello Chris from code tool. Nice. The second tool is an HTTP tool that is able to do a request on the REST API started in the container number 3. Okay, this tool is used to give the namespace of my tenant. But just before, I ask the AI agent to not show completely this information because this information is confidential. So, what is the space of my tenant? As you see, the namespace of my tenant here was given by the HTTP REST tool. Perfect. And the last tool is a Python code tool, but I decided to use directly OCI module in Python. Okay. As you can see here, it's very easy to sign because I am using the security of the VM. As the VM is on OCI, I have the security context here, and I'm using the security context in order to run my OCI SDK Python code. Okay? And here, I can get all the bucket of my compartment. Let's go. Please give me the list of all the bucket of my tenant. The tool here, number 3, was used. And then I got the result and I can see the list of all the buckets that I have. I can go to my cloud environment here and you can see this is exactly the same answer. So, as you see, it is super easy to integrate n8n with OCI Python SDK using the code tool Python, and you can run easily n8n Community Edition on OCI. It is super cheap to do that. Thank you for your attention.